Wayne, the Florida Cannabis Chef here. Hey, this video is for Bob in North Carolina. Bob said it's been a cold, hard winter in North Carolina, and he made some nice comments about my videos. So Bob, I tell you what I'm going to do. You asked me about pot roast. Oh yeah, I love pot roast myself. I'm going to show you how to infuse it right now. Here we go. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the little bell to get future notifications. Share with your like-minded friends. They want to make pot roast too. We're going to start off by searing our 3-pound beef shoulder roast in our cast iron skillet with a little bit of cooking oil. We've seasoned our roast with salt and pepper. And we're going to sear this all the way around on all sides till it's browned nicely. After that, we're going to go ahead and transfer it over to our crock pot. We're going to start adding our vegetables. 1 pound of carrots we've cleaned and cut. Same thing with 6 stalks of celery and 1 red onion. Use whatever onion you like. I've added 1.5 pounds of red bliss potatoes. Next, we're going to add 32 ounces of beef stock, beef broth, beef stock, whichever you like. 2 tablespoons of Lee & Perrins Worcestershire sauce. I like Worcestershire sauce. Gives a nice flavor. 1 heaping teaspoon of minced garlic. And then we're going to go with 1 tablespoon of our hemp tasty Italian seasoning. This stuff's really tasty. I put in a lot of stuff. After that, 2 full tablespoons of our cannabis infused sugar, which came in at about 80 milligrams of THC. Then we're going to add 1 6-ounce can of tomato paste. There we are. After that, we're going to mix everything up real well. We're going to put our lid on there, and we're going to cook this on high for about 4 hours. Here's what we're looking like after 4 hours. Looking nice, huh? Pretty. Now we're going to add 180 milligrams of chocolate. That's right, infused chocolate. Chocolate is one of my secret ingredients. Chocolate enhances the flavor of beef, gives it a very rich, hearty flavor. Give it a try, you're gonna like it. Now we're gonna let this cook on low heat for 4 more hours. After 4 hours, here's what we're gonna have. 6 dinner portions of flaky, tender, delicious pot roast with potatoes and vegetables. This is Chef Wayne, the Florida Cannabis Chef. We hope you enjoyed today's video of how to make pot roast infused the easy way. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click that little bell to get notifications of upcoming videos. Until next time, happy cooking.